Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to make some smoked armadillo eggs. Got some jalapenos here. I do have 2 more jalapenos, I only got 6. You're going to need ground pork or ground sausage, whatever you find you will need. You'll need cream cheese. You'll also need some shredded cheddar cheese. I will be using today this here, which is a marble cheddar, which I've already grated up some. I'll be mixing it in with my Philadelphia cream cheese there. First you want to take a jalapeno, cut out the stem. If I didn't mention, you will need bacon as well. Can't have anything good without bacon. Bacon goes with everything. Now, I'm not a professional at taking these out, but basically you just want to try and get all the seeds out. You want to get everything out from the inside of it. Kind of like that. I'll clean it out a little bit better. Just giving you guys an idea of what you got to do. So let me get these 4 cleaned up and we'll pick back up. All right, I've mixed together my cream cheese and my shredded, grated marble cheddar. Now, take your favorite barbecue rub. I'm going to be using this one here. Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. You don't have to use this one. Use your favorite one. Now just add a little bit to your cheese mixture. And then get it all mixed in nicely together. We're going to get some flavor inside of these with the cheese. So let me get this mixed up and we'll pick back up when we're on to stuffing it. I'll show you how to stuff it. All right, we've got our cheese mixed up with our barbecue rub. Now, take a jalapeno and a spoon and stuff the inside. It's going to be a little bit time consuming to do this. It's not going to happen super fast, but it's okay. Make sure you get it stuffed all the way. Just like this. Just like this. Just like how I'm doing it. Let me get the rest of these all done and this one finished. And we'll pick back up. All right. We're back. We got all our jalapenos stuffed. Now, take your ground pork or sausage, whatever you're using. I'm just using ground pork. Now you want to surround it with the ground pork. If you're using sausage, you don't have to season it. But I'm not using sausage today, I'm using the ground pork, so therefore I will be seasoning it with the same barbecue rub I used with the cheese. Just like so. There's one done. Just like that. So I'm going to get them all done like this. And then we'll pick back up. Oh, we've got them all wrapped with the pork. Now, I've already gone ahead and put rub on those ones. I'm going to do the last one here just so you can see. Just get your favorite barbecue rub out. Unless you're using the sausage meat. If you're using a sausage meat, then you probably won't have to season it. But because we're using just regular ground pork, we need to season it because it's not seasoned. And sometimes they don't want to behave and they're falling apart. That's okay, the bacon will fix that. But for the time being, that's it. Just rub it down with the barbecue rub. And then, once you've done that, I'm going to put it in the fridge now for probably about a half an hour just to get it back to shape. We'll pick back up. Well, we've rested in the fridge for probably about a half an hour now. Next step you're going to want to do is take your egg. Your nice armadillo egg. And then bacon. And wrap her up with bacon. You might need 2 pieces of bacon for each one, which is okay. Bacon's good. And here we go. Wrap it up with the bacon. And there we are. Then, ordinary toothpicks is what you're gonna need. And then just use the toothpicks to hold the bacon. Just like that. There you have it. I'm gonna get the rest of these done. Then we'll pick back up when we're out on the pit boss. See you there. Okay, we're outside. Pit boss is running. I've already had it fired up. It's on the smoke setting. I haven't played with the P setting at all. It's on the P4 default setting right now. So now, what you want to do is take your armadillo eggs, just put them on the grill. Just like this. Just like that. We're just going to give the bacon a nice light coating. Let the rub. Just on the top side, I'm not doing the whole thing. See? There you go. You see? Show you this. See? P4 setting, just on the smoke. That's it. Set you guys over here. Now we're going to close the lid. We'll let this go for a bit. We're going to leave it on the smoke setting. That way we can get some good smoke on these. We'll pick back up when we're ready to check them out. Not sure how long that's going to be. Maybe an hour, maybe 45 minutes. We'll see you then. Well, we've been an hour now. Let's see what we're looking at. We're looking pretty good. Well, let's close the lid and let it keep going for a bit longer. Probably let this go another half hour, 45 minutes, and then we'll probably step up the temperature a bit. Okay, we've been another half an hour now, for a total of 1.5 hours of smoke time so far. There's what we're looking at. Let's close up the lid on this. Let's turn up the heat now to 225. 225. Now we'll finish the rest of this cook off at 225. Pick back up when these are done. Quick update now. I'm just gonna bump it up to 250. It's only been about 30 seconds since the last pickup. So there we go. We're gonna let it go at 250, not 225. And in case you guys are wondering, we're using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets for this one. See you guys when they're done. All right, we've been a half an hour since we've cranked the temperature up to 250. Oh yeah. Nice. Now these are done. So I'm gonna get these pulled off and into the house. We'll let them rest and cool down a little bit. See you then. Okay, here we are in the house. Just letting them rest and cool down a little bit. We'll pick back up and we're gonna slice them open. Let you guys have a look, see what they are. Oh, there we go. We've been resting for about 5 minutes. Take your toothpicks out. Nobody wants to get a toothpick in their mouth. Slice into it. There we go. Look at that. Very nice. Now, you could put barbecue sauce on it and glaze the sauce on if you really wanted to. It's all up to you. I don't really like barbecue sauce too much, so I don't use it. Give it a shot. Those are good. Well, this is a good recipe. If you guys like this one, want to try it, go for it. You won't regret it. If not, your loss. Well, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys on the next one. Bye.